Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Dominic from Payday Pickups and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you all how I shoot my Instagram photos, and this time I'm not on my own, I'm here with Sophia.
I'm a UK based photographer and we're going to be doing a video over on my channel as well, so the link will be in the description.
Sweet, so 3 outfits, 3 locations, let's jump into it. So a few days before the shoot, Sophia asked me to send some photos of my outfits which I plan to wear. She then found locations which kind of match the outfits. As you can see, the bridge has got a red and blue and white colourway, which matches really well and complements against the Mustang sweatshirt with the blue, the red and then the white on my Jordans. She then directed me and took a load of different shots from full bodies, close-ups, and yeah, enjoy.
Then you won't get spoken to. People only see you when you up, then they notice you. Trying to be a legend, create lines is quotable. Only the real shall last, and I only know a few. People when they feelings always acting emotional. Ain't about a check, then it ain't negotiable. Gotta show respect to the people that's posting you. Soon to be on posters posted up like the older dudes.
Now we aging like fine wine, how we supposed to do. Peep the shade on the timelines, this time posted cool. Shit is black and white like photos from a disposable. Certain situations you ain't end up uncontrollable. All up in their head.
People get shook up, you know, when I'm introduced as God.
Energetic, poetic and athletic. You know I get down and dirty when it's time to set it. I'm tearing through, clean your scene like ammonia. I drown ya, flood 4 corners, the perimeter. I wonder, cause earthquakes, bolts and lightning. You couldn't test the one and only Mike Titan. I fool rock, now you hear it, now you know it. The body of the life force came forth just to show it's crucial. Lyrical style ain't what it used to. Microphone check 1, 2. I hit the atmosphere, give MCs visions of comets. Technique hit by force the earth, I hit and bomb it. Immaculate.
So I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on that streetwear fashion shoot. Huge thank you to Sophia for helping out and taking those photos. Please let me know which is your favourite outfit out of the 3 in the comment section down below. And be sure to go check out Sophia's YouTube channel as well as her Instagram. There'll be linked down below. She does loads of videos on photography, whether it be film or digital. I honestly learned so much and definitely improved my Instagram photos. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section down below. I also recently got myself a medium format film camera. I just bought some film, so I'm thinking of doing a film fashion video, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. But overall, I feel glad to be back posting again. Have a nice day and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.